everyone, Jessica here with Sash Fabrics. Today we're going to be using the 2340 Brother cover stitch machine to cover stitch flat items. And this is going to be a great trick to be able to cover stitch if you're cover stitching multiple items without having to stop and do it the old fashioned way with the, if you've ever used a cover stitch machine, you know it's hard. So all you need to do this is whatever item you need flat laid, and you need a scrap of material. I like fleece, but this is also, I happen to have toweling laying around. So I hope you guys stick around and enjoy the video. Okay, so typically to undo your stitching when you're finished stitching on the Brother cover stitch machine, you would lift your foot up, you would stick a tool, your Allen wrench that comes with it works great for this. I have misplaced that, so I'm using an awl. You would put your tool there, and you would pull the thread out, and then your foot is up, and then you would pull. It's not fun. It is not fun to do this the quote right way. So you would pull. It's not coming. I'm going to break a thread. You would pull this out, get your needles out, snip your thread, and then pull gently. Okay. And then it's out. So it can be a pain. When you do it more often, you get better at it and it's a little bit easier, but it's not fun. So what I'm going to do is, this is just like a stretch, a scrap of stretch fabric, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to fold it under and hem it. I currently have this set to a wider hem. It doesn't, whatever hem you normally do. This is, so you wouldn't want to do this obviously in the round. It wouldn't work for this, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it flat, and I'm going to go ahead and cover stitch this piece. Now, when I get to the end of my piece, I'm going to take my scrap, and again, this can be a scrap of fleece, it can be a scrap of knit, it can be a scrap of woven. I happen to have toweling laying around, any scrap. You can lift your foot up a little bit, put your scrap right in front of it, and then just go off one onto the next. And I typically have two scraps at any given point. That way I can easily go from one to the next without having to cut it off. So, there's my cover stitched piece of fabric. Beautifully cover stitched. And then there is my cover stitch machine, and it's got this on. So now the next time I go to hem something, I can fold it over, stick it under, and just hem away. Have another scrap there, stick it in, and voila, you can now, machine production style, just whip out these flat lay hems where you don't need it to be in the round. Obviously, when you need it in the round, you would still need to do it with the old way of pulling the threads out. Did you like the video? Did you find it helpful? Leave me a comment down below telling me what you liked, what you would like to see for future videos. Make sure to give us a subscribe. That'll ensure that you get notifications. Also hit that little bell icon. YouTube doesn't always like to give everyone notifications. And give us a like so we know you liked the video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.